Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to fix Discord not opening on Windows 10 or 11. So to do that, let's head over to our 7 steps that I'm going to show you. So let's head over there. So the first one is basic troubleshooting. So restart your computer. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. And then if Discord is running in the background, force quit and any related processes through Task Manager to ensure a clean startup, and close Discord completely and then try opening it again. And if there are some cache issues in Discord, then clear Discord cache. How you can do that is corrupted cache files can use startup problems. So go to this option right here in the run dialog box. So I will show you how to open up your run. So you have to go to the search section, write RUN, and then run it as an administrator or open it. And then just paste the prompt I just showed you. So this one, %appdata %add discord / cache, and then in the run dialog box, just delete the files in that folder and log out the Discord and then log back in to see that resolves an issue. The third one is Discord updates and reinstallation. Ensure you have the latest version of Discord installed. If updating doesn't fix the problem, uninstall Discord completely and then reinstall it using the official Discord website. So there might be some other potential issues like an incorrect date or time can sometimes cause problems with the Discord. So right click on the Discord and select run as administrator and bypass potential permission issues. The last one is ensure that no other software is interfering with Discord's operation. So yeah, these are the fixes you can use to fix your Discord not opening on your Windows or not running on your Windows. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.